Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on how Hugh builds a teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer frame, I'm going to try to mount the electric vent, a little fan powered vent up top. So I cut a piece of plywood and I'm going to mount the vent to it and figure out how I want to do all the studs inside and the wiring. So let's get to work. Okay, I marked it out. I'm going to cut a hole saw in it and get my jigsaw and make a hole. One thing I don't like about this, and this is how I can tell it's a cheap one, crap, it's got tabs. This is gonna be too small. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be taking it kind of slow and fitting everything a couple of times because my brain's not here. Not sure if I'm doing this in the right order or not, but that's the frame to hold the vent. Well, hopefully it fits. I think it should. So now I'm going to put a little bit of orange paint on this piece and let it dry and work on some other things. Okay, I have a little less than half a can left. So I don't know if I'll be buying another can of this or not. May not need to. Okay, there's the uppermost part of the roof, the hole cut out for the vent. So I'm gonna see if I can't get that vent to attach in there properly and all wired up. Okay, one thing I want to do is I do want to test and see if it runs. Well, that's a noisy little thing. I guess that's what you get for the price. Okay, but it works. Okay, I got some butyl tape on there. Hoping that's enough. I'm also going to put some sealant around the edges at some point. I've got some special stuff I have to figure out how to use. So let's, I'm going to fit it, put some screws in it, see how it goes. Okay, I have two different types of lap sealant. I think this is supposed to be the good stuff. One is self-leveling and one is non-leveling. So I have to read about which one to use in which application for up top, because I want to put a whole bunch of sealant on that, or enough sealant. So let me show you what it looks like before the sealant.